Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Shiprocket to Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, what I have on my screen right now is the page for the Shiprocket module, which you can use or rather purchase for use on Odoo. This is by Project Technologies, and it is specifically made to connect Shiprocket with Odoo. Now, I'm not sure if it's enough to have the community version of Odoo, or if you need to have the enterprise version, but you can download this and then load it up into your Odoo and use it to connect the two services. Now, as you can see, it is not available for Odoo Online. It is available for Odoo.sh and on-premise, and it's pretty simple how to do it. You have it for several other versions. You have it from 12.0 all the way to 18.0, as far as I'm aware. And once you purchase it and integrate it into your Odoo, you just install it as you would any other module. Then you just need to go ahead and set everything up. So you just need to go to the Shiprocket configuration page, which should be on your dashboard, fill in all the needed information, such as your Shiprocket account credentials, then the API URL, as well as the auth token, which you can find on your Shiprocket account page. Then you just need to create a delivery method where you select the Shiprocket service as the provider, and then just set up all the information needed right here. As you can see under provider, you just set up Shiprocket, and that's pretty much it. You can also go ahead and export the details from Odoo to Shiprocket using the screen, which you can see here, and you just need to export it, and you can use the two interchangeably. And after that, you can also generate a live rate from Shiprocket, and generate an AWD, and all of those things. You can also generate label, attach label, and tracking shipment from Shiprocket to Odoo, such as this. And yeah, you can do all of these things which Shiprocket has in its service. Now, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys myself because I do not have the funds needed to afford Shiprocket or the module to connect Shiprocket, but I hope you guys do understand. It's a very simple process to set everything up. You just need to purchase it, install it, and then you can start setting everything up. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.